This channel is for educational purposes only. All videos, presentations and writing are only for educational purposes and are not intended as investment advice. You can implement this while trading at your own risk. If you would like to learn and follow our videos, please subscribe.
Hello everyone, my name is Victor from Naija TradeWise. Hope we're having a great weekend. Before we go into our market selection today, just a few words about Naija TradeWise. Naija TradeWise works with BKFX, an online trading platform that offers you free trade signals, fund management, and also a trusted and regulated broker. A few things, I'll just run it through the screen. You see, you can fund with BKFX with Naira, deposit in Naira and withdraw within 15 minutes. You can also choose from our money management professionals who deliver between 20 and 40% in a month. We have various fund managers you can work with. You can also you're also working with a broker that you can trust. Last but not the least, you can get 100%. You will get 100% deposit bonus. So we match whatever funds you deposit on the platform to trade with. And like we mentioned, you can fund with Naira. Now, with that out of the way, let's go to our market selection for this coming week. So for this week, we have 6 financial instruments. The first one we'll be starting with is the Euro Japanese Yen. Now, looking at the Euro Japanese Yen, from the monthly chart, it's been bullish. Now, so we know that there has been a pullback. So we will come to the about the daily chart and look like, okay, there's been a push so far. So we would be we'll be taking our entry at around, say, we can take our entry around, say, here, 130, and we enter at 130, then we take our profit at around 134. That's how we'll take that trade. So it's a very long trade, but guys, what you need to understand is this: you can take profit, come back and take profit, but you know the range, whereby you enter here and take profits at the like we said, 135. But there is no rush at your pace. You take profit wherever you want to take. That's for the Euro Japanese Yen. Our next pair is the New Zealand Japanese Yen. I know you must have noticed we're focusing more on the Japanese Yen. Yes, because we are bullish on most of the pairs. Looking at the monthly chart, okay, it has been bullish for the past 3 months. Now there has been a pullback, so we look for a very nice place to enter, which is around about, we can take our entry at about, say, 77.701, and that's that. And we can take our profit at around, say, it's a long one also, 82 or 85. Now you can go in and come out and take the profits from that pair. Now that's the New Zealand Japanese Yen. Now, one of my favorite trading pairs is US oil, crude oil. Now this has been bullish for quite a while, since October last year. Look at this. So I think we should look for an entry point at around, say, at around here. Let's say 71.90, and we can take our profit at around, give me a second, 89, a long-term trade, but you can enter now and take profit within the time frame. Of course, you need to watch your risk to reward ratio. Very key here. Our next pair is the Great British Pound Canadian Dollar. This pair we're bullish, but we expect a pullback because we've noticed it's been bullish. So we will look for an entry point at around, say, let's look for somewhere around, say, 1.72 entry point, and take profit will be 1.75. So we expect a pullback on this British Pound Canadian dollar, but ultimately the trend is bullish. Now, our next pair is the New Zealand dollar USD, also viewing it from the monthly chart. Now, like we said, the past, since October also, it's been bullish. Now there's this pullback, so let's find our entry point at around, say, here, we can take our entry point, say here, 0.7421. Now, with that, we get in here. That's our entry point, and then what we should do for our take profit, we can look at it for, let's say here, 0.79 for take profit. This is a long-term trade. Also watch your risk to reward ratio. And our last and our final pair is the Canadian dollar Japanese yen. Look, this is bearish. We notice that it has crossed and it's been going down, so we expect a pullback, of course, to around, let's look at this point. It can pull back to here, 88.32, but then it will ultimately sell, let's say, to 85 or 84. This is not such a long-term trade, but please calculate your risk to reward ratio. Some people use 2 to 10, 1 to 5, but let's be accurate in what it is we risk. Now, if you have any questions or any pair you would like us to trade, or any topic regarding the financial market you'd like us to touch on, please don't hesitate to write us. Visit our website at www.naijatradewise.com. My name is Victor. I'm wishing you all a great week ahead. Thank you very much for your time. Goodbye.